Welcome class again. So we have learned about the yesterday words, today's words, and how we use today and yesterday words. So today we will start exercises. So write date and we will do exercise from page number 22. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Okay. So students, remember one thing in your mind. We use is for today and was for yesterday. So today is and yesterday was. Always we use today is and yesterday was. Okay, don't forget it. So yesterday was Wednesday. So if yesterday was Wednesday, then today is. Means what is the today? Today we will write is. What is? No, we will not write was, because was we used with yesterday. So today is, what is today? After Wednesday what comes? Thursday. Thursday. Today is Friday. Is with today. Today is Friday. Then yesterday, with yesterday what we will use? Was. Yesterday was. So yesterday was Thursday, which have done. Yesterday was Friday. Yesterday was Friday. So today is, what is today? Saturday. What is today? Saturday. We'll stop. Today is the first day of the week. So first day of the week is Sunday. It means today is Sunday. So what was yesterday? Yesterday, what we will use here, is or was? Was. So yesterday was Saturday. So here I am including two more fill in the blanks from page number 23. Okay, so today is holiday. Today is holiday. Here you have to use the words which we write or say with I in present action and in past action. So today is holiday. So we are talking about today, means present action. So here I am swimming or was swimming. So this action is going on in today's time. It means present time. So what we will write here? Today I am or I was. I am swimming. Am. We always use am for today's present action. For present action. And here we are using am because in the first sentence what is there? Today. The next sentence is yesterday. Yesterday means we are talking about past action. We are talking about the action which has already done, which has already completed. So yesterday we have to write what? Yesterday was Sunday. So what is the next sentence? I dash television. So here two options are given. I am watching or was watching. So here you have to just learn the tables which I have told you in a previous lecture. Am watching or was watching. So am we will use if the work is going on in a present condition, in a present time, or in a today's time. But here we are talking about yesterday. Yesterday means the work which has already completed, the work which has already done. It is the past action. So for past action, for yesterday, we use I was. What? I was watching. So here we will write I was watching. This is like this. I was watching television. So here the next exercise we are going to do in a book which is on page number 23. This is also a fill in the blanks. So here also you will not confuse about today or yesterday. So with today we always use is, and with yesterday we always use was. So this you have to keep in your mind, don't forget it. So today is 21st of January. So yesterday means in past, what was there? Yesterday was, it is not visible, I will write here. Yesterday was, so today is 31st January, so yesterday was 30th January. Okay, so always we use was with yesterday. So yesterday was 31st August. So today is, the next month will start today. So after August what will come? September. So and today, with today what we will use? Today is 1st of September. You have to write this in blank column, because here it is not visible, you can't see properly. So I am writing here. In first was 30th January is, and second sentence is 1st September. Next is today is 1st March. So 1st March, so yesterday was. So before March, which month is which month came? February. So the last date of the February is 28. We will use 28 here. Okay. So yesterday, with yesterday we use was. Yesterday was what? 28 of February. Okay. So the next is yesterday was 20th April, and so today is what we will use. Today is, what is the today? 29 of April. 29 of April. The next is today is 30th September. So yesterday, always use was with yesterday. Yesterday was 29th of September. Okay, similarly the next exercise we will do in book again. So today is Monday. So here we are talking about present action. So we, in present action, with we what we use? We, is, was, were, are. In these four what we will use? We are what? Going. These children are going. We are going, not playing, going to school. With we will use are. Yesterday was Sunday. So we, what we will write? We, here we will write were. It is yesterday action. We were playing. Sunday, it was Sunday, so students will not go school, so they will play. Today is holiday. Today is holiday. So we, with today, what we will write? We are reading. We are reading. These are reading storybooks. Today it, with today what we will write? Always is. Today it is very cold. And we are talking about today's action. So we are, with we will write are having hot tea. The next is yesterday we, with we what we will write? Because it is a yesterday past action, so we will write yesterday we were having ice cream. So for all the exercises you have to just learn the four tables which I have told you. If you will learn this, so you can write, you can fill this very easily. So so do practice again and again how to use is, are, am, were. So and in your daily conversation also you can use are, were, so that your concept will be clear. So thank you.